Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, just locate your device's calendar and click on it. If you never used Calendar app before, you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and select Got It. From here, tap on the month above and pick a date. I will go with this one. Now, in order to create your own event, you need to tap over here twice or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and click on Event from the list. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Now you can click over here on your email address and select one of those options. I will go with this one. Now pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and select the best option for you, like for example every year. If you want to, you can always click on this option again and disable it completely by choosing Does Not Repeat. Over here, scroll down and click on Add People, Videos and Add Location to set up all of those informations. In order for location to work properly, you need to choose while using the app or only this time, then type in an address and click on the correct result. Now you can also take notes and even add attachments. If you want to, you can click on one of those colors to make your event stand out more. Then choose Save at the top right corner in order to save it. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping it and selecting this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. Discard them by choosing top left corner or save them by tapping on top right one. If you wish to get rid of your event, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Delete option and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!